Okay, so today we're going to finish up the stump. I don't normally talk about what tools I use or anything like that, but I'm going to go ahead this time. I bought a Ryobi, what was it? 16-inch chainsaw. Now I don't get into the set right there. What's good? What's bad? What company's better than the other? I buy what I can afford, and this just happened to be one that I could afford. It's also one of the last ones I had, so there too. All right, so I'm gonna get this thing all ready to go, and then we will get chopping on that stump. See you in a bit.